As we know, Photoshop 2021 has this amazing new feature called sky replacement. We all know this feature can automatically replace sky. But today we're gonna do a crazy Photoshop experiment. We'll try to select here with a sky replacement. Will it work? Let's find out. Okay, so here we're in Adobe Photoshop. This is our first example. We can see here the background is blue, not sky, but blue. Let's apply sky replacement and go to edit and select sky replacement. We'll take any sky as a background. We'll focus on hair selection. See, just look at that. It's almost perfect. You can also move these sliders to fine tune, but by default, this is crazy. Normally, we use sky replacement for these types of landscape photos. Who would have thought we would use it to select hair? Let's zoom in. It's so damn good. Okay, let's go to our second example. In this photo, we have a real sky. Since the last one worked pretty good, I'm expecting it should work as well. Go to edit and apply sky replacement. See, it worked. I want to compare it to Photoshop select subject. Before I do that, I will select a sky image that we can later apply when we will use select subject. I will use this photo. I want to use the same photo for both sky replacement and when we will use the Photoshop select subject. Okay, so this is the result of the sky replacement. Now I'm gonna use the Photoshop select subject. I'm guessing this will give us the same type of result because what Photoshop does, it first select the subject using its AI and then just change the background image. Select any selection tool and click select subject. I will not modify the selection. Once it's done selecting the subject, just click the mask icon and then let's bring the same sky image. Group it and I will name it Photoshop selection. Now let's compare it. Just see the hair areas. I think the sky replacement did a better job in this area. See this area? It is a better selection. Let's go to our third example. This one is a bit complex. We have hair as well as trees. Go to edit and apply sky replacement. It's kinda okay but not as good as our previous examples. I will try to shift the edges and move these sliders. Yeah, it's not that good, but it kinda works. I'm not going to modify the mask after pressing OK. We're just trying the sky replacement feature. Our fourth example will be more complex. We have a background here which is not blue. Let's see what happens now. Now Photoshop is messed up. This is a complex situation and there is no sky. Photoshop didn't know what to do. Even if I use the select subject, Photoshop won't do a good job. Our final example will be totally different. There is no sky, no blue, just a wooden wall. Let's apply a sky replacement here. Photoshop didn't know what to do at all. Now let's go back to our first example for a moment. I want to show you something. When we use a sky replacement, Photoshop creates a mask, more than one mask. We can use this mask as a selection, can't we? Let's bring any background image and place it at the bottom. Now hold Ctrl or Command and click the mask to load the selection. Now create a mask. We can use the sky replacement to change background. Interesting, isn't it? I tested on Luminar and got almost same type of results. So we can say when we have a blue background, sky replacement does a better job. And this should be obvious, right? I'm not saying this is a good way to select here. We did this just to do some experiment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the ring button so that you don't miss any new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video.